Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Snapchat account. And if you find out that someone else is using your Snapchat account, here is how to log them out from other devices anywhere you find yourself. Consider to stay tuned to this video and see how you can easily log them out in order to secure your Snapchat account. Quite a lot of number of people that are using Snapchat are not aware of this. But if you are the type that are using Snapchat and you are not sure if someone is using your Snapchat or someone is monitoring your Snapchat account, consider to stay tuned and see how you can log any unrecognized device out from your Snapchat account. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Snapchat app. After you open up your Snapchat account, go ahead and click on the profile icon from the top right here. It's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the setting icon right here. Let's take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to scroll down and then go ahead and click on season management right here. So click on that and it's take you right here. So all the devices that are having access to your Snapchat account is going to be presented right here. From the top right here, you'll be given the original device that you are using to log in into your Snapchat account. If you find out that there are unrecognized devices right there, what you need to do is to act instantly by removing them. And for you to remove them, simply tap on here. So once you click on that, this is going to pump up. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on OK. And the device will be completely removed from your Snapchat account. Lastly, make sure you enable your two-factor authentication into your Snapchat account. It's that simple. For more tutorial, tips and tricks on how to secure and use your Snapchat account, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Peace.